Hi, this is Stephen from Share Navigator with a technical update on Schlumberger. So this is one of the stocks we like at the minute, and we're just refining our entry and our exit points on this particular stock. So we're looking here at the 1 year chart, and these are daily candles on it. And what you're looking at here is the 200-day moving average exponential and the 50-day exponential moving average. So we're going to look at this from three different perspectives. The first one is short term. So short term, you can see here the trend is actually bearish in the very, very short term. So if we were to literally, you can see these highs are getting lower all the time and the lows are getting lower as well. So it's in a short-term downtrend. Now we know short-term that can change, so we have to kind of expand our view. And another thing to watch out for here is that we've kind of bounced off a support area here, and we're reaching this 50-day exponential moving average. So that may act as resistance as well. So that's just in our short term. In our intermediate term, really, if you look at this 50-day moving average, you can see it's actually been using this pretty much as support all the way up, and that's in a clear uptrend. So intermediate, it's still uptrend. Yes, we broke down below it here, but it recovered, made kind of new highs, retracted, made new highs, and now it's retracted here again below it. So on the fundamental level, we think the stock is worth somewhere between $38 and $47 over the coming 12 to 18 months, depending how sales and earnings go. So the intermediate trend isn't broken just yet. It's still in that uptrend, and then of course the longer term trend again is above this 200-day moving average, and again the stock is trading above that. So in the short term, where can we look to buy? Well, just traditional support and resistance. You can see this whole resistance point here, has acted as a support line now for where the stock is currently trading. So if we just add in a support line here, and it's bounced off this. Now if that gets breached, it looks like we could come down into this level here, which is $26, $27. But my own view is that if $30 gets breached, the 200-day moving average will provide support at 27.50. So we're buyers of the stock at a fundamental level. Um, Depending on whether this 50-day gets breached or not on a short-term entry point, we'd like to be buying it at 30. We see this as support. If it breaks down, we can always average back into the stock. But just we're in this kind of buying zone here, but just be careful, it may drop to 27.50 just from a technical perspective. So that's just a technical outlook on Schlumberger. We see this as a stock that's going to be plus 40 over the next 12 months. If we're buying at 30, that's a nice 33% return on investment without even considering the dividends. Okay, this is Stephen from Share Navigator. Thanks and bye for now.